Hello everyone, myself Siddhi Vinod Patwa, MES College of Pharmacy, Sonai. My today's topic is Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, which is guided by Professor Sonone ma'am. In that, we have to study the introduction, then important definitions of some drug and act, and their opium derivatives. First, introduction. Coca, hemp, opium are the excellent drugs, but they are habit forming and they have degenerating effect on health of the user. The cultivation of opium poppy was brought under the legislative control in 1857. The Opium Act was the supplement by Opium Act 1878, which imposed restrictions on the possession, sale, supply, etc. of opium. The primary aim of Opium Act was to control indiscriminate use of this drug and associated problem like protection of public welfare by preserving health, eliminating social and moral effect. Hemp is very popular in Asia, Africa, and in India. Particularly, this drink is mentioned as the favorite of Lord Shiva according to Hindu mythology. In present day, the drugs like LSD, heroin, brown sugar, smack, and a lot more have been added to the list of habit forming drug. Some important definitions. Cannabis meaning they contain charas and ganja. Charas is the resin in the crude and purified state obtained from cannabis plant, including concentrated preparations, and the resin is known as hashish oil or liquid hashish. Ganja is the flowering and fruit top of cannabis plant, including seeds and leaves. Any mixture with or without neutral materials of the above forms or any drink prepared from them. Coca leaf. Leaves of any plant of genus Erythroxylon, from which cocaine, ignoin, and the other alkaloids have not been removed except the preparation containing not more than 0.1% of cocaine. The next topic is opium. Opium is the coagulated juice of opium poppy, which is obtained from Papaver somniferus or any other species of Papaverum, or any mixture of coagulated opium with poppy with or without neutral materials containing more than 0.2% of morphine. Poppy straw. All parts except seeds of the opium poppy after harvesting, whether in original form or cut, crush, or powder, or whether or not juice has been extracted from them. Next topic is opium derivatives. First, medicinal opium. Powder or granulated form of opium processed to adapt it for medicinal use in accordance with the requirements of Indian pharmacopoeia or any other pharmacopoeia. Prepared opium is the opium manipulated to render it suitable for smoking and any other dross residue left after it is smoked. Third, morphine, codeine, thibin, and their salts. The fourth is diacetyl morphine, known as dimorphine or heroin and its salts. And the next is preparation containing more than 0.2% of morphine or any amount of diacetyl morphine. So, thank you.